Hey there. Tired of remembering due dates for your loan or credit card? Setting up Autopay for your Bank of America accounts ensures you're never late, protecting your credit score and saving you from late fees. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to set it up. Log into your Bank of America online account or app and select the loan or credit card account. Go to the Payments or Services tab and look for Set up Automatic Payments. You'll link your Bank of America checking account or another bank account, then choose what to pay, the minimum amount due, the full statement balance, or a fixed amount. Select your payment date, review, and you're done. My crucial pro tip? Schedule the payment for a few days before the actual due date. This gives you a buffer in case of weekends, holidays, or any processing delays. It ensures the payment posts on time, every time. That's how you automate financial responsibility and gain total peace of mind. Do you use Autopay for all your bills, or just certain ones? Share your system below. If tips that simplify your financial life help you, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.